ang situation ng fridge namin ngayon, ganyan. So, we have one soda and gelatin in the making. We have the plate, spatula, and wala pang laman.
Oh! It's actually opening. Three.
Okay.
Three, two. Oh!
How many?
Makuha yung original glaze.
Honey glaze.
Honey glaze. Let's open. Oh! This is for drinks. I like it. Oh!
Wow, meron siyang baso.
Eh, kasi panggawa yan ng drinks. Wait,
Oh, isa lang laman? One lang?
no. Another one. Oh! A box of
Donuts! Pakita mo. It's a box of...
donuts.
No, you have to open it. I'm gonna help you.
Okay.
So, this is a box of...
I don't know what.
Ano, open siya. Just a box. It's just a box. Take out box.
Are you serious?
No, this is ano. This is a donut. Diba ita-take out mo siya, then you put it in the box.
Wait, I saw another. I saw a donut.
That's a honey glaze.
No, it's a plain donut. It's a bit plain.
And
Smells
then,
good. It's.
you put it here, and then you put it in the box. Take out box.
Let's just decorate.
Box.
Look mo.
And then,
This is
put it-
crazy.
lagay mo sa fridge.
I just put it.
Saan mo lalagay yan? Diyan na lang muna.
Opo.
Okay, may Krispy Kreme na po kami. And then, second pack, we got whipped cream
Whipped cream. So,
and
chocolate.
a latte. So, wag muna tayo mag-mix na.
Sige.
Lagay muna natin sa fridge.
Sige. Para ano.
Oh, lagay mo muna
And
sa
then,
fridge.
let's.
Wait, you have to put it in the fridge.
Okay.
Assemble mo na para hindi tayo messy.
Let's put it. Oh. Ano siya?
The whipped cream as well.
I love Krispy Kreme. Ah!
And then, the baso.
Tabano.
Sige, lagay mo na lang yun.
Let's put
No.
tabano.
Diba, may nakita ka na bang
Let's close it.
gelatin time? Let's show.
Okay.
Mixing gelatin. The orange is inside.
Oh.
Hindi, yung gelatin.
Oh, so hard to squeeze.
Kumain mo.
This is incredible.
Magaling mo yung gelatin.
That's just enough. Last. But don't eat it. It's
Not yet matigas. Okay, you have to finish it. So you can throw that out.
okay.
Now, we're gonna put it here
Oh.
in the Yugaland. Here. Tapos, i-close natin siya para magtigas siya.
Mabilis talaga yan to be.
Second,
Second.
99 pesos na ano, na egg.
Oh, what? This is different na. Different na ito.
You will get, six na naman. You will get a meal. Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
You will get a meal.
Oh. Wait. I get. Ah!
What's that?
It's yeah! Wow!
This is soda.
Again. What's
And then-
this?
Cheese. Crazy. I don't know. What's that?
Sticker!
That's you will put it here.
Wait, I love stickers.
No, Sky, this one, you will put it here. Nakikita mo, you see? This one, you will put it here. Because this is a chicken nuggets! Box ng chicken nuggets! So,
And
you have
ano?
chicken nuggets. And that, you will put it here. Comprende? Orange juice.
This is orange juice. I like it.
We have orange juice. Lagyan mo muna ito. Ilalagay something, you have to put it in pagkain. Let's put the
Spaghetti.
bulak.
This is so relaxing.
That's a latte. It's a coffee.
Yeah, I know it's a coffee. Is it enough?
Okay, throw that na para hindi mo sisili.
Bye-bye.
And then, before you put the whipped cream, you have to put the straw. And then, lagay mo yung UV para matigas siya. Okay, serve me. Matagal din anak magtigas. You have to wait for it.
Yum, 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 yum. This is relaxing.
It's relaxing.
That's
Whipped cream time.
oh, this is so like wala naman ganito na tae. This is enough.
No! Put everything na! Wala ka nang gagawin dyan.
Wow.
I'm gonna have you.
Yeah, it's very just like a pot.
Put it there. Cover it and put it in your fridge. That's her fridge. Not so healthy fridge.
Unhealthy.
Meron kang Olipop, a milk tea, orange juice.
Mofusan wants
You have ano to? Spaghetti. Gulo naman. You have to put it here. Oh. You have soup. Soup na walang
No,
takip.
Mofusan wants to eat na.
Tapos bread.
Mofusan wants to eat.
Spaghetti.
Let's let her
pancake,
eat.
Krispy Kreme.
Mofusan want to eat.
Mofusan daw kakain.
And then, tingnan natin kung matigas